question number 5 on the quiz, we needed to find the lines that were both tangent and normal to the circle centered at 0 with a radius of 5 at this particular point, 3, -4. Okay. So to write the equation of a line, we need two things. We need a point. We have that point. We need a slope. So that's what we need to find. We need to find the derivative, d dx of x squared plus y squared equals 25. Okay, so in order to find the derivative of this function, we need to use the process of implicit differentiation because this is not directly solved for y. Okay? So we need to take the derivative with respect to x of all of our individual terms plus d dx of y squared equal to d dx of 25. Okay. So the derivative of x squared, it's already in terms of x, is 2x plus the derivative of y squared with respect to x. So we need to treat y as if it's a function of x. So a function of x squared would have a derivative of 2 times that function of x to the 2 minus 1, which would be 1, times the derivative of that function of x, which would be dy dx, or y prime. Over on the right-hand side, the derivative of a constant is always 0. So now we want to collect our dy dx terms on one side, and we already have that done. 2y dy dx is going to be equal to a negative 2x. And now we solve. So dy dx is going to be equal to a negative x over y. The 2's would cancel out. Okay, so that's what our slope will be defined by. Well, we specifically want our slope at 3, -4. Okay, so at 3, -4, dy dx, our slope is going to be equal to -3 over -4, which will simplify to 3/4. Okay, so at that point, we're going to have a slope of 3/4. Okay, so our tangent, okay, we know we've got y equals m x minus x1 plus y1. So as we substitute in, we'll get y equals 3/4 of x minus 3 plus our y value is -4, so just -4. You don't need to simplify that down, but if you wanted to, you'd get 3/4 x minus 25/4. It wasn't necessary to simplify that one down, though. Okay. The normal, well, again, we're going to use the same setup to write the equation of the normal. We're still going to use our point-slope formula, but now our slope has to be the negative reciprocal, so y equals -4/3 of x minus 3 minus 4. And again, you don't need to simplify that down, but if you do, you'd get y equals -4/3 x, and the constants would cancel each other out. Okay, so the equation of our tangent is 3/4 x minus 25/4. The equation of our normal is -4/3 x.